your boy. Yeah, so it's been a minute, but we are back. Gonna hit a juicy shoulder session today. This is gonna be a different type of video than normal. We're meeting up with Ali again. He was in the last video. Just pulled up at Crunch Fitness. He said he was getting here at 4:30, 4:45. It's about 4:15 right now, so I'm gonna go in early, get some core action, maybe some stretching. Yeah, I'm gonna take you guys through a full shoulder workout. This is gonna be a good one. Stay tuned. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and comment for the algorithm. And yeah, let's get this. Alright, Ali just got here. I did 4 sets of the 2 exercises I showed, and now we're warming up shoulders. We got guys screaming in here. We're doing, I don't know. But 3 sets of this, face pulls. We're gonna do 3 sets of cable lateral raises, get the blood flowing. Then we'll do a press. Yeah, let's get it. All right, first main movement, hammer strength press. We did 2 warm-up sets of the plate. Well, the second set wasn't really warm-up, we kind of went hard. But now we're gonna do 3 sets, all out. Just a plate at 25, we're doing high reps and really burning it out. Go! Let's go! Come on! Come on! Let's go, come on now, you got it! Come on, push! Oh yeah.
Yo, could you actually get a picture like this?
Oh yeah.
Do it like this.
We can define a person's mind in many ways. Beginning with something simple. The mind is occupied with thinking. They are that upon which the hearing of melody depends. The intervals between tones or notes. The way they are spaced makes the difference. Music of the mind. They are that upon which the hearing of melody depends. The intervals between tones or notes. Music of the mind.
crunch right now. Fuck, we got an actual sick pump. How do you feel? How do you feel?
I'm fucking hyped, dude. That shit's lit.
Yo, as much as we killed ourselves, we just had it before. Like, it's euphoric right now.
Dude.
We went hard. We had like an hour and a half. This says I burned 1,000 calories. Definitely cap, but how many does it say you burn?
Fucking like 8:31, but I started mine late.
And I'm like fucking 30 pounds heavier than you. But
V1.
this guy's a good workout. Good fucking worker. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm shot. But yeah.
V1.
Oh, I forgot to say, we both took Nitram halfway through the workout.
Yeah.
And that's why we look like this, because we took V1. We're fucking... Yeah, all right, we're gonna run out of here before this lady like murders us. They're gonna scream at us for 10 minutes. Oh my. All right, this guy's gonna freak out. All right, yeah, like I said, that was a crazy workout. I didn't realize it closed at 6, so we just flew through that. That's why there wasn't probably not, I don't even remember. I'm shot right now. I just ran out because we were getting screamed at, but I don't think I talked that much in the video, just because we were literally locked the fuck in that whole workout. I didn't even film everything we did. I probably filmed like 75% of the shit we did. But yeah, that was a really good shoulder workout. We even threw in arms at the end. We got every last second of that. I somehow got him for free. I finessed that. But yeah, that guy Ali is a good worker. I'm soaking wet right now. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna end this video here or what I'm gonna do next, but yeah, I'll see you guys. But yeah, halfway through the workout, Ali said he didn't take pre-workout, so I was like, oh word, I got Nitram on me. So I gave him a scoop of Nitram. I took a scoop of Nitram. Gave us like even though it doesn't have caffeine in us, it gave me like an extra boost, and we were just going demon mode out there. That was a really good workout. I like the shoulder press machines we did, and yeah.